Alrighty, so we're just doing a quick install of a breather. I've been meaning to do it, but one of those things that you forget about until you're filling up your tank and it comes shooting out of your gas tank. It's just a little one of those. It's not necessary, I guess I would say, but with what we're using, it's not that hard to just install another one. So, getting into here, I was remembering I was filling up my tank, and pretty much just was filling up my tank, and then I remembered before I plugged it off that my little vent tube was not plugged, and it shot out of there. So this is just basically just a quick and easy installing a breather. I got one of these. It's one of those off-road ones. Pretty simple. I'm gonna put it in my filler tank where we have everything. So this is just basically one of those. If you flip over, check ball goes in, it keeps it from leaking out. Pretty cool stuff. Just gotta drill a hole, and then when you flip over, the check ball is right there, and there's a little check ball right in there. You can hear that. But yeah, it's pretty simple. So I'm going to take that plug off that I installed to keep it from leaking out. Let's see here. Pretty much just going to run the tube there to there. Nothing. All right. So we'll get our handy dandy fuel line. Ordered. Even though I don't think we need to run this, just because the setup I got, I'm running I want to say it was a Ranger filler neck, and it's got those two lines that go to the tank, which is probably good enough, but I can't seem to leave things alone. Or just quick video while we're still filming some metal work. All right. Basically, we're just going to drill a hole in this. Actually, I don't think we need to. It's got a big enough. We might still actually. I might be able to just run it. Actually, we'll drill a hole right there still. So I'll drill a hole real quick, and we'll keep this party going. Alrighty, so we drilled a hole. I'm just gonna shove this in here. I got it nice and tight.
Hi, Daddy. Gordon also pork.
Alright, now we got a little more red room here.
Yes, got this for you. I need it.
So nothing crazy. Looks like that. A little breather in there. So now we got to run some line to the tank.
How did
You're all set up here. Alright. You're all set up there. Working with the new tripod, so I'm still getting used to things. Alright. So that looks like we got you.
Did that
Oh, the handle's in
standing
the way.
on it?
That's what it was.
Why standing on it?
Alright. So, that's where we got to run to. I'll just eyeball this for fun. Alright.
Let me go up here real quick.
So we got this all, we'll reroute it and let me run this down here.
Okay.
Alright. We get it. I'm ready. I just gotta loosen that clamp a little, and it's pretty much done. Gotta loosen it. We can get it over the ferrule.
No. No. I'm in the picture.
Now, when you install these, you want to make sure it's above the tank so it has that room to breathe, and so obviously it's above the tank. But I'll show you my setup, even though I don't think I need all this extra precaution and whatnot, but why not?
Why put in that shoulder?
I don't know if you can see in there.
Even down there.
Okay, yeah, you can see. See how it's the two lines already going to that filler neck, and that's that new line we just installed. I'll tie it up, and that's how we have it underneath. But this is a quick, easy install of one of those vent caps. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.